Here's how to start dropshipping in 1 minute with GoTen.com. Just follow these 4 steps. Step 1. Sign up free. First, go to GoTen.com and click Sign Up Free. After registration, go to Account Settings to complete your profile. Then you can check prices, stock, and more details. Step 2. Select and list products easily. On the home page, you can find great products through product categories and navigation. After selecting a product, download the information, list it to your store, and start selling. Step 3. Sell first, pay later. When your customers place orders, return to GoTen. Add items to your cart, submit orders, and finish the payment. Additionally, you can place bulk orders by API, Excel import, or order syncing. Step 4. Enjoy free and fast delivery. After the payment, your order will be shipped and delivered free and fast. What are you waiting for? Sign up free and start boosting your online business now. With GoTen, dropshipping made easy.